Today, I'm revisiting Walt's chili with a second try. I made a few slight tweaks to the original recipe, and now it's going to be my staple chili recipe at home. Let's dive in and see what makes this version so special. Gather up the following ingredients. For tablespoons oil, 2 pounds ground beef, 1 pound drained cooked pinto beans, 1 diced onion, 1 green pepper, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 1/2 teaspoons chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 9 tablespoons tomato sauce, 2 cans diced tomatoes, 2 cups water, 2 tablespoons beef bouillon. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add 2 pounds of ground beef to the pot with the hot oil. Cook and break it apart with a spoon or spatula, stirring occasionally. Brown the beef for about 5 to 15 minutes until it's fully cooked and no longer pink. Drain excess grease and set to the side. After draining the excess grease from the cooked ground beef, add 2 more tablespoons of oil to the pot. Let it heat briefly, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Add 1 diced onion to the hot oil in the pot. Add 1 diced green pepper to the sautéed onion. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally until the pepper starts to soften. Add 4 diced garlic cloves, or about 4 teaspoons of pre-minced garlic, to the onion and pepper mixture. Sauté for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Reduce heat slightly if needed, then add the following spices to the pot. 3/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 1/2 teaspoons chili powder. Stir well and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the spices to bloom in the oil and release their aromas. The mixture should smell rich and fragrant. Pour in 2 cups of water and stir well to combine with the sautéed vegetables, garlic, and spices. Add 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon to the pot. Stir thoroughly to dissolve it into the water and spice mixture. This adds a rich, savory depth to your dish. Add the following to the pot: 9 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 cans of fire-roasted diced tomatoes, typically 14.5 ounces each. Stir well to fully combine all ingredients. Return the 2 pounds of cooked ground beef to the pot. Stir well to combine it with the tomato and spice mixture. Add 1 pound of cooked, drained pinto beans to the pot. Stir well to combine. Let the chili simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the beans to warm through and soak up the flavors. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.